Okay, so does sitting in a hot tub seem like a weird place to be talking about this VEVOR endoscope? It actually isn't. Let me tell you why this is so amazing. So it is, look, it is completely articulating 180 degrees in one direction, right? So now this is perfect for my honey-do list today included. This is actually a waterfall that's supposed to work when the hot tub's on, but it doesn't work. And I have no idea if it is clogged, the pipe's clogged, it's just jammed up, or if it's broken, like, and it's collapsed or something like that. So we're gonna use this endoscope, which has this waterproof end on it, has a teeny little camera on it with LEDs all around it, so we should be able to see in the dark really well. I can record it here. I'm gonna share that with you, and then let me actually start it recording so we can do that. Okay, so I'm also recording this on this camera so you can see, obviously it's not designed for this, but what do you say we send it down the rabbit hole, see if we can find something? Oh man, here we are. I am so excited about this. Oh, I cannot believe how clear this is. This is so cool. So this is hysterical. This thing is so freaking cool. And I have to say, so reasonable what you're getting for the, thing that I'm not allowed to say here on Amazon. But boy, is this thing cool. The quality is great. The way it comes, let's see, we don't need to record this anymore. Shut that down. Video is saved. And it even comes with an SD card on it. So this is really ready to go, super flexible. Let me just show you it really quick so you can see up close. This is what it looks like. Comes in a great package. This is what you use to adjust, but you can adjust it, the direction. It's like an alien thing. It is like an alien thing, right? Am I having too much fun with the tool video? I think I could be. Anyway, if you're looking for a great endoscope that records HD video, provides an HD 5-inch display of what's going on, you can articulate it to move in different directions, this is definitely the one to go for. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.